about how can you find social rewards on your Pocket Option app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on market. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on social rewards. Just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. So then here you will find all social rewards you have in this list here. So can you find it? I have no rewards or social rewards now, but if you have it, you will find it in this list here on your Pocket Option app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.